One of the biggest jobs that was done in the blacksmith shops in Granville, Tennessee was tiring wagons. Wagon wheels have tires, and they're iron. That's a pile of wagon tires. This is one of the tools used to fit those wagon tires. It's called a traveler, and it's for measuring the wagon tire. The blacksmith would roll it around the outside of the wagon wheel to figure out the length of iron that he was going to need to make the wagon tire. This is not a tool that I use at all in my shop, and most people who come through here think it's a giant pizza cutter, but now you know better.